Hello guys from Plant Reviews. Today I will talk about another fruit, one of the tropical fruits I ordered last week, and it is the finger lime. Australian, a plant from Australia, fruit from Australia, also called indeed Australian finger lime. Indeed, it looks a bit like a finger. And the scientific name of the plant producing this fruit is Microcitrus australasica, or also Citrus australasica, but it seems, according to the last scientific reviews, that should have its own genus, Microcitrus. Anyway, it's a relative of citrus fruits, so mandarins, lemons, limes, mandarins, and grapefruits, oranges, and so on. This plant comes from Australia, in particular from Queensland and New South Wales, so the eastern part of Australia. And it is a pretty small tree, actually usually a shrub, that grows in rainforests. It is about 2 to 7 meters tall, and it is a shrub or small tree that has very small leaves, about 1 to 6 centimeters long and about 3 to 25 millimeters wide, and produces small white flowers. The fruit, as you can see, is about 4 to 8 centimeters long, and this one is green. However, there are also fruits that are pinkish or reddish. And actually I can show you on my computer the fruit on the plant, and you can actually see this plant is quite thorny, has some spines, nowhere closes the palm from where the snake fruit comes. That is unbelievably thorny, but this one, yeah, has pretty small thorns. And you can see the flowers. You can see the flowers in this picture here. Hope you can see it. Try to focus. Yeah, it is. They are very small flowers. However, well, this fruit is not really cultivated for the foliage or for the flowers, even if I hope that they are fragrant, as most citrus fruits flowers are, but for the fruit. So as usual, let's wash properly the fruit. Cool. So basically it is pretty easy it's a very easy fruit to cut. You can cut it longitudinally or laterally. Let's do this like this. So I cut it in half, basically. And you can see here the pulp of the fruit. Is very fragrant, and as you can see, the pulp comes up in small vesicles. A little bit like caviar. And the flavor, it is basically like lime. You can basically, yeah, just eat it like this. So yeah, you can squeeze the fruit. Very refreshing. Or just take the little granules. Hope you can see really how similar to caviar it looks like. I think probably on the plate it's easier to see. Yeah, you can see really the granules of the fruit. It is quite acidic, sorry. It's quite acidic. It really seems to eat lime or lemon. Very refreshing. I don't think I could eat more than one really. It's very sour, very acid. Not sour, but very acid, so not sweet at all. But definitely, it's a great fruit if you want to surprise friends and relatives with something unusual, basically, to be served on the table. And if you would like also, sorry, I have my cutlery here. And also, yeah, if you want really to try something unusual, the seeds are very small, really tiny, and I will definitely try to plant them in my house, because the plant is pretty small, and these fruits are really nice as after dinner to refresh your mouth. Yesterday I can't eat more than one, but I think they're really good. And as usual, we hope not to forget anything of what I wrote. So I already described why obviously it's called also lime caviar, because the vesicles of the fruits look really like caviar. They look like fish eggs, even if obviously the flavor is absolutely like lime or lemon. They really burst in your mouth, and the flavor is very acidic and tangy, quite addictive actually as well. And also, in addition to be used fresh, it is quite popularly used as a garnish for other plates or as a marmalade and pickles. Now in Australia it's also grown quite on a large scale because of the high demand worldwide, and actually this fruit was already eaten by the early Australian settlers before obviously becoming popular as a gourmet food in recent years. The peculiarity of this fruit is that has been hybridized with other species of the genus Citrus to widen the color range. So for example, this one is green and has green pulp, green vesicles, but you can actually find also red fruits with red vesicles, or pinkish fruit with pink vesicles. The color is quite varied. So definitely if you're looking for something fresh to eat, it's still quite surprising as a flavor and as a shape. Definitely I can recommend finger lime, and also I will see if I am able to germinate the seeds I found in these fruits. And I hope you enjoy the video, and well, I will show you a bit more of these beautiful vesicles coming from the finger lime on the plate, and well, I will eat some more as well. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video and my other videos, it would be great if you can please subscribe to the channel. And as usual, I hope to see you next time. I'm sorry I couldn't do any plant video in the garden because the weather has not been very good. I hope that in the next few days the weather will be better. I have some nice crocuses coming up, and the sarcococca as well in my garden in bloom, and the smell is beautiful. Unfortunately I have only one plant, but that's a plant that if you plant in big groups really make a really can perfume the whole garden. And also I have some daffodils as well coming up, so I really hope to update you with my with the flowers of and with the flowering plants of my garden very soon. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.